Yeah.
So here we are on top of a mountain, and we're stuck, and it's raining big time. I don't know if you can see these raindrops, but we are getting wet. We are way above camp. I don't know if you can see it through the rain down there, but this is great. We're trying to make it down in the rain. This is great. We're all soaked. We're on top of the mountain. Camp is way down there. I don't know if you can see it. We're at the top of the mountain. We just climbed up this big mountain. Here's the rock face we were on. This is great. You can see Lucas and Elizabeth and Uncle Matt down there. And camp is way down there. You know, it's great. I just want to document this because it's cool. Down. It is raining. We're in the mountains. It's great. Lucas, Elizabeth, Uncle Matt, and Marcus are present. Camp's way back over there, and we are getting hammered with rain. The ground's all wet and slick. It's just great fun. Alright, we are finally down from the mountain. It's been raining hardcore on us. You can't even see the top where we were because of all the trees, but we were way up there. Here we are, all wet. Here's Lucas.
Yeah, we're soaking.
Here's Lizzie.
Hi.
Uncle Matt.
Woo!
Me. Bah. We are having lots of fun.
Woo-hoo! I think we are.
And it's wet. It's crazy. No one's hurt. We're wet, but we can handle it.